Here's Nanay opening her order from Shoppee.
Salamat. Thank you. Thank you, anak.
You're welcome. So when we ordered this, we thought it's big, but it's smaller than what we thought. So we'll see. It's wrapped with a bubble wrap and then a black garbage bag.
Ay, pagkaputos.
Gunting nga rin, Nanay. Just gunting it.
Gubuon ng putos kay magamit ka.
She will not cut the wrapper because she's gonna reuse it. Kinsa? Mangukay sila? Ah.
Ano ba day ka?
Ah. Oh, maayo.
Kanang mga bataan.
There you go. Open it na. Remove the bag. Ay, ituwad ka na yung mahug. There you go. What's in it? That's the cover. Oh, here's the cup for the rice. And this is where you put the like star anise or pendant thing. Put there. If you want your rice smells like how do you call that? Spices or something. And then yeah, it's smaller. We'll order the other one. It says
How much?
12, about 12 until here maybe. Excuse, my hands are dirty. So it's 2 kilograms here, 4, 6, 8, 9 kilograms, 12 kilograms. 12 kilos. Nanay said we will not put it on a dark place because the mice will enjoy it. Just like our other container, the mice ate the cover.
Thank you.
1 cup. You're welcome. Are you happy?
Yes, I enjoy.
I'm enjoying.
I'm
Joy.
happy to receive my new box for the rice.
Nanay loves container. She loves container. She saves everything and she puts everything in a container. So that's why I bought her that rice, how do you call that? Rice dispenser. Okay, please don't forget to hit like, comment nicely, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.